Today we're going to do an unboxing for you, an assembly to show you how to put together the Kidkraft Adventure Town Railway set and table. We're going to do the assembly to show you how you put the table together and then how you set up the train set. Let's get started. The first set in the instructions, they have you expand the frame, which you'll see they each have brackets on the corners, and it just folds out into a square frame. And then you put the dividers into the middle pieces and they just pop right in. And then you place the tabletop right over the top, and they fits in really well. Has a very close fit, it looks like, too. We like this tabletop because it's got some road, it's got some water, it's got some grass, it's got a little bit of everything. This is going to be a surprise for our son's 3rd birthday party, so we're so excited to put it together while he's at school today.
And I'm excited about easy assembly.
Yeah, and note that this, we realized after we opened this that this requires no tools. It is all just ready to assemble. The last piece that you do after putting together the frame and the tabletop is just to place in these Kidkraft plastic pieces on the ends. And then you also place in these plastic tubs that'll be great for storing all of the train track and extra pieces and cars that you want to add to your set. I love that this table came with already built-in storage, so that we know that our son is going to want to play with this and add to it and change it up over time. So we'll have places for him to just put it away when he's done. Here's a quick video to show you the table once assembled. Very easy. It took us all of maybe 2 minutes, I think, to put it together. And that included, you know, the bins on the bottom. Very, very easy assembly. Behind you, you'll see the box. It comes in a pretty large box. So it was a little intimidating when we got the box in the mail. We weren't sure what we were in for. But then it turned out to be pretty easy assembly. I think that the most time it's going to take is just putting together the track and then setting it all up to surprise our son for his birthday party.
That's also the fun part.
Right. We might be also having a little bit of fun with this. You'll see that this railway set comes with a bunch of different size track, curve track, bumpy track, hills. It has a bridge, little track pieces. It's got some like asphalt pieces here for the town. It comes with a police station, fire station, and hospital, and those are all things that you can assemble for the buildings. We also has a main hub piece. It has this awesome little lift, little crane that actually you turn the wheel and the hook comes up and down, which is awesome. It comes with little people from all the different kind of town professions. Got some really cool people here, and everything looks to be very, very sturdy, well made, and assembles easily. My husband's putting together this cool waterfall, like mountain feature that it has, that you can have the track go through the bottom and the top, which is really awesome. Comes with a bunch of little cars, and these are kind of more the utility vehicles for all of the townspeople. So we've got like the roller machine, we've got the police car, the ambulance, we've got a fire truck, and we've got some train pieces and their parts as well. And these all come with, I noticed that they come with little hook pieces, and I'm imagining that's so that you can lift them with the crane and lift them off of the train pieces to pick up their heavy cargo. So here's a view of the crane. Let's see how this works. See if it actually works. Ah, it works. That's awesome.
Yeah, this should be super easy that a 3-year-old can do it too.
Yeah.
You'll love this.
And it's a good size too. I love that the table is at his level as well. It's nice and shorter table, so he'll be able to easily reach everything on the table and play very easily. That also comes with an awesome airplane, and as well as a helicopter. These are so cool. With a propeller that works. And it even comes with a boat. And you see the boat has built-in little hooks to also have cargo. And on the tabletop, there is like a lake and some water features as well. So you can have the boat going around on the water and the crane over by the water to take the cargo off the boats.
And all modes of transportation.
Yes.
This is like
Our son is going to love it.
traffic control tower.
Uh-huh. They've got a
Super
traffic
cool.
control tower. It's awesome. They've got a bunch of trees, little bushes, and all these road signs. We've got stop signs, yield signs, animal crossing signs, turning signs, crosswalk signs. We've got a traffic light. This is way cool.
Here's they have a little gas station with little gas pumps, and you'll see they have little peg holes, and you have little spots for each of the gas pumps, and then for the top gas station, so they just fit right in. You just kind of slide them into the pegs, pop those right into place, and you've got your little gas station.
I don't have to a little bit of screw in like that, but pretty simple.
Awesome. So we have the little... The instructions give you a layout for how you can set up the track to fit on the board if you want to set it up yourselves or put it together with your kids. You see the mountain and the waterfall sets up on the upper left corner, and you've got the kind of the hub in the middle, and you can have kind of your loops of track going around, and then kind of set up your buildings and your bridges kind of throughout where you want them to fit in. All right, we're starting the track. We recommend setting up the track first and then kind of fitting in all the buildings and vehicles and all the extras around it after you've got the track set up. Found that these little gray stabilizer pieces are nice and sturdy to hold up the track when you're going down your hills from your mountain and then going back up over your other track. And they just pop into place, right?
Yep. Pop in there. Gotta get in the right spot though. There.
Awesome, we have a bridge. There's one piece that's a lot curvier than the other pieces that's made for that sharp turn right before the bridge. All right, we have our track assembled. Once we got a hang of the instructions and the different sizes of the track, it went pretty smoothly after that. And kind of putting together our main hub, we've got our bridge, we've got our hill that goes up and over the water and the other piece of track. Got our main hub that goes over the road, and then we've got our waterfall and our tunnel. Our runway here that you can put in the kind of the grassy area by the lake, and that's for our little plane to take off. All right, now we're gonna start to put together our little town village and all of the little pieces. All right, we have finished our little railway town. Overall, I think it took us about an hour to assemble this whole table and the town and the track on top. So not too bad. The biggest thing was just kind of for us looking at the instructions and figuring out the different sizes of track, so we knew the right way to lay it out the way that they had recommended for the instructions. You'll see we've got all of our little town set up. We've got a hospital, fire station, a police station. Each of those buildings has like a little separate roof and a little base so you can set those up. They also have their own vehicles. Got lots of little traffic signs and railway signs, and trees and bushes of different sizes. Got a little gas station with a gas station attendant over here and a gas pump. We've got the airplane, yep, the runway over here for the planes to take off. We've got the traffic control station with the tower and the helicopter pad. We also got the crane and the lift over here, and then the train that goes under the tunnel.
Can make it down the hill.
Yeah, you
without
can make it
crashing.
down there. Our son is gonna have so much fun with this. Can't wait to see the look on his face when he sees this. And this set comes with all of the little vehicles for the police station, the ambulance, and the fire truck, and then the plane and the helicopter. And then it comes with a roller machine too.
And I think the crane is the coolest.
The crane is really awesome. Yeah, and then it fits over here so that you can operate the crane right from the track and take the cargo right off the train. And then it comes with one train set which has the engine and then 3 cars. And they're all removable cargo pieces. It's neat. We've got the waterfall up here with the track going under and over. Overall, this is a really neat set. I like the bridge as well. This hub kind of shows this area is under construction. We've got the dock, and then we've got the road that's under construction over here with the road blocked off. Kids would have a lot of fun with this set. A lot of creative and imagination, fun playtime. Here is the finished train table. This is the Kidkraft Adventure Town Railway set and table. We bought this off of Amazon. We'll put the link down below so you can see where you can find this. Overall, very sturdy set, easy to assemble. It took us about an hour to assemble ourselves. It requires no tools, and everything fit together just like it should. Very pleased overall. Can't wait to see the look on our son's face when he gets this for his birthday. Welcome home from school. We have a surprise waiting for you in here. You want to go see? Happy birthday, buddy! Do you like it? Happy birthday, bud! Oh, check it out. This is Henry's birthday present. What do you think, bud? You like it? You can play the trains. Yeah. Make him go through the tunnel. Look at that. And look, there's the choo-choo train. They go down the hill. Vroom. Choo-choo. There's an airplane. Yeah. There's an airplane. And look, there's a helicopter. Is that awesome?
Waterfall.
Uh-huh. Waterfall and a tunnel. Look at that. Beep, beep. Train's coming through. Make sure that... Look at that. He's rolling some pavement. That's the tugboat. Yeah.
Henry, we got the plane coming for a landing.
Oh, shh. Coming in for a landing. Yeah, that's how the road is under construction. So we can say, we're working over here. Just watch out. That's where the helicopter goes in for a landing. That's where the helicopter lands.
Honey, it's an ambulance.
Yep, and over here we've got the hospital and the ambulance and the fire station and the police station and a police officer and a firefighter and a nurse.
This goes.
Yep, and that's the runway over there for the airplane.
It's coming for a load.
Oh, there it comes. Watch out. Oh no, they're gonna crash.
Nobody help me.
Oh, is someone gonna come to the rescue? Who's gonna come to the rescue? Do we have the ambulance, Sima?
Ambulance.
Yeah, we need an ambulance over here.
Ambulance.
Oh, and the fire truck. Here it comes.
What do we need help with? What do we
Somebody,
need help
these guys guys have had an accident over here. They need some help. They need to be taken to the hospital.
Come on.
Let's get him in the helicopter. We'll take him over here.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more family-friendly content like this.